Hey there, welcome back to another render demo video tutorial. I am Mark and I will be drawing the Exploding Kittens cat burglar. All right, I have a sheet of paper, a pencil, pen, some markers, and I'm gonna start right now. Okay, in the middle of my page, I will draw an eyeball like this. So this big circle, and I'll draw another one to the right, and they're going to be somewhat pretty close together. Just over here on the left eye and kind of tucked up in here, we're going to draw this little upside down like triangle shape, and then from there we're going to do this little smiley face to the left and a hook over to the right. Now inside the eye, I'm going to draw this little curve that follows the edge of that eye, and we'll just draw this shape like that. It can be kind of pointy at the top and bottom, and then we'll have a large circle right over here, and then we'll do a smaller one and then an even smaller one like that. And we'll try to do the same thing over on this side, so we'll just follow those shapes. We'll kind of do the same ones over here. Now, coming from the center of this eye, we're going to come up and we're going to draw the ears. We're going to come up and over, and then we're going to come down like this. And just above the eye, that's where the top of the head's going to be. So we're going to come over and we're going to kind of end almost at the end of this eye, somewhere about here. And then we're going to have the other ear come and point over to the right. And then this will hook down. And now we're going to hook and swing this over to the right. So we're going to come back towards the body and toward the eye. And then we're going to swing this out now. Okay, and we're going to come to right about here. And then this will start hooking back towards the center of our page. And then on this side, if you were to draw this ear and extend that down, then we can kind of continue this line. It's going to be bulging just a little bit. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is draw the arm in place over here. So we're going to do this upside down like J shape. So we're going to start right about here. We're going to come towards the mouth, but we're not going to touch the mouth. So we're going to hook over and come down. Okay, then we're going to draw the other side of that arm, starting right about here. So it's separated from the edge. We'll come down, and then we're going to do the elbow. The elbow is going to be kind of like flat down here. Then it's going to come back up to right about here, like that. Then on this side, this will come, and this will be the wrist area right there. So that's going to be somewhat narrow. Okay, now we'll do 3 finger shapes. So we're going to come up and over to the left, and then we're going to do this. Then we're going to do a second one, and then a third one like this. So we'll have 3 fingers there, and then our kitten is going to be holding a little bag here. So we're going to draw the other hand on the other side. So we're going to come up like this, so this will be the other finger, and we'll do a couple lines like that, and then this one will run through, and this will be the lower finger like that, and the top finger will be like this. And then we're going to come down and to the left, and we're going to draw the sack now. So this money sack here, and it's going to come out from the elbow. All right, so we're going to come down, and we're going to kind of splay this outwards. So we're going to come down, and we want to end, you know, somewhere about here. So we'll come down. This will round. And then we're going to come back up like that. put this little line, like a crease in that bag over there. And then we'll draw a couple additional creases right here. Now we can draw the top of the bag that's kind of closed shut. So this is going to have like this V shape that's opening up. And then we'll connect these two. And then we'll have a rounded shape at the top. It's going to kind of point on that right side. Then we can create a couple extra crease lines like this. Then we can finish off this arm on this side. So where my elbow is over here, just extend a line over in that direction, and we're going to bend this up so we kind of like flat for that elbow, that flat elbow, and then we'll hook this and go towards our hand right there. We could leave a little bit of a gap. And now I'm just going to make a slight adjustment to this ear and to this shape here. So I'm going to kind of come out, because I want this to be a little bit farther away from the top of the sack shape over here. So I'm just going to widen that a little bit. Now down over here, we're going to have a leg. Now I may have drawn this a little bit too short. We have to probably extend that. So now that we have the bag in place, I'm going to draw a curve from here just off of the bag. We're going to do the leg. So we're going to come down, and then we're going to bend this a little bit, and then we're going to hook it to the right, just a little. Then we'll draw a little toe shape. So we're going to have this round foot, and this is going to come up and hook almost like it's connecting here. It's going to kind of hook like that and just round like that. Now, I did draw this a little bit too high, so in order for me to fix that, I'll start down here where the bag is, and I'm going to come down, and we're going to run into the leg like this. And then, if I keep that line going through, and then I can do this up here and connect like that. We'll draw some toes in this foot, and then we'll do another foot over here. So just off of this leg, we'll go to the left a little bit, and then we'll just draw like a U shape, and we'll have a couple toes that show up over there. Then we can draw a tail. So we'll have a tail coming from right about here. So it's just above the leg. And you can have this kind of come and bend a little, and it gets bigger and wider at the top. So if this is narrow down here, we want to start getting wider and wider as we get to the top like that over here. So this will be wider than where the tail enters the body here. Okay, now you can put whatever kind of detail you want in here. So if it's Halloween time like it is right now, I'm gonna go and just put in this skull and bone shape. So I'm just gonna draw like this round shape like this. I'm gonna kind of come down, have a couple lines like this, and I'll do two eye sockets, one there and one on the right. And then I'll just have these little crossbones kind of coming through. So this will come and extend down to the bottom left. And then we'll do one in the other direction like that. But if you want to put some writing on there, or if you want to put other shapes, you can do that. It's whatever you want to do. Now the last thing, I forgot to add a couple little shapes for the ears up here. So I'll put two little upside down V shapes. The next step is to take my black ink pen and outline all of my shapes. Okay, grab yourself an eraser and start erasing all of your pencil lines. And we'll get this drawing ready to be colored in. Well, if yours didn't turn out quite like mine did, it's okay. Head on down to the description and you can click the free link that gets you the coloring page. Then you just have to print that out and you can have fun coloring this in as I'm doing right now. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun following along and drawing the Exploding Kittens cat burglar with me today. If you did, please like my video and then subscribe as well, because I do videos every weekday and I don't want you to miss one of them. All right, guys, so see you next time. Bye-bye.